Hello, I'm Dr. Pooja Panek. I came for hands-on 135 C2 course. So I'll talk about the glass slides and the cover slips which are used for semen analysis. We use the glass slides which are 3 into 1 inches in dimension, and they have a thickness of 1.2 mm. And the cover slips that we use, they are 22 into 22 mm in their dimensions, and the thickness is 0.13 microns. So when we use this glass slide and we put the cover slip over it, we get a chamber depth of 20 micrometers, which is according to the formula depth is equal to volume by area. So our volume is 10 microliters of semen sample which we are dropping on the slide, divided by area, which is of the cover slip 22 into 22 mm, and we have 1000 as the conversion factor, so it makes the chamber depth 20 micrometers.
Namaste, my name is Dr. Shruti Bhatia. I've come from Rajasthan, from hands-on training batch 135 and course C2. Now I'm here to talk about sperm counting chambers, sperm counting chambers. So we have many types of sperm counting chambers. So first of all, we have something like a Mechler's chamber. This is so simple.
Indian Macula.
That is Indian Mechler chamber is there. So it has a chamber depth of 10 micrometer. We have the area where we put the droplet of semen and then cover it with the slide. Okay, it has a grid printed over the cover slip, and we might have to adjust sometimes when it is under the microscope. Then we have another kind of sperm counting chamber, which is there is a grid printed over the slide itself on the two sides.
So we don't need cover slip.
So we don't need to put any cover slip here, and we can just use it plainly.
We put cover slip.
Okay, not for
Yes, sir. The grid is over the slide itself. It is not on the cover slip.
or 20 micrometers.
Depth is the chamber depth will be
10.
normally 10 micron, 5 micron.
Yes.
But it doesn't come with a normally macula, and macula light comes with the
Cover slip with the printed grid.
And this is only
Slide.
Slide itself.
That's the main difference.
Yes. All done.
Good.